Hello everybody, this is Alex from soyachinchay.com and we're going to unbox the new OPPO R17 Pro in the sky. So after OPPO have announced the OPPO Find X with a crazy slider mechanism, they've introduced this model. So this is the new premium mid-range device and it's the R17 Pro. So let's unbox the device. So here it is. Ooh, it looks pretty nice. So at first glance you notice there's this twilight gradient design and it comes with this nice frosted glass effect. It looks pretty premium, silky smooth in the hands. Look at that. Okay, let's unbox the rest of the contents. So out of the box, it comes with this VOOC charger. Oh wait, this is not just normal VOOC, this is Super VOOC with a 50 watt output. So this can give you even faster charging times compared to the previous VOOC charger. You also get your headphones and it comes with USB Type-C cables. And we look, it's actually colored orange in the middle. So this represents that this is for Super VOOC that has a 50 watt output. So up front it comes with a 6.4-inch AMOLED display that pushes a full HD+ resolution. And if you look at the top, it has this water drop design with a tiny notch, which is quite similar to the OPPO F9. Powering the device is a Snapdragon 710 processor with 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage. And powering the device is a 3700 mAh battery, which you can charge from 0 to 40% in just 10 minutes. So it's made possible with the new Super VOOC flash charger that has a rating of 5 volts and 10 amps. That's pretty fast. If you notice, right, there's no fingerprint sensor at the back. That's because the fingerprint sensor is actually on the front. It has an in-display fingerprint sensor up front, which makes it easier to unlock when the phone is on the table. So to unlock, you just use your finger and put it on display. And that's it. Boom! Let's try again. Pretty fast. Over the front, it comes with a 25 megapixel selfie camera. And at the rear, it gets a very interesting triple camera setup. So it has a 12 megapixel main camera with variable aperture that switches between f1.5 for low light and f2.4. And you also have a secondary 20 megapixel shooter and also a third one which is used for 3D depth sensing. And what's interesting with the OPPO R17 Pro is this ultra night mode, which allows you to take long exposure shot handheld. So this is useful for taking night scenes like this. So let me just give it a couple of shots. Okay, look at that. Okay, let me switch to night mode. You see that? It's taking a long exposure shot. And with this triple camera setup, you can also take bokeh-licious portrait modes as well. So the OPPO R17 Pro comes with a 25 megapixel front camera that has a host of AI features. So by default, they have this AI Smart Beauty. So let's give it a try. In terms of performance, it's pretty smooth. It runs on Android 8.1 with ColorOS 5.2. It's buttery smooth, no complaints there. So a lot of companies are doing this gradient color design, but I think OPPO has done it very differently. So you can see how it transitions between blue, purple and green in a very unique way. And what makes the difference is that he has this nice silky frosted finish on top, which gives it a very unique look. And even the frame also has the same transition effect. So look at the top here, you can see the difference from blue to purple. It looks pretty unique, and the official launch is taking place on the 22nd of November 2018. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, like us on Facebook, subscribe to us on our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell icon so that you'll be informed when we release a new video just like this. Thank you so much for watching, share this video and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!